Hi, my name is Haley, and this is my presentation over the Aztec number system and land measurement. My article is called Aztec Arithmetic, Positional Notation, and Area Calculation. The article starts off by talking about documents that were found in the Valley of Mexico that shed more light on the Aztecs' number system and land measurement methods. The Aztec methods are then contrasted with the Spanish and Mayan methods in order to disprove the fact that other civilizations may have influenced the Aztecs' number system. For example, the Spanish number system was in base 10 and used horizontal place value, which is the exact opposite of the Aztec number system, which proves that the Aztecs didn't gain influence from Spain. And although the Mayan number system is very similar to the Aztecs, they have base 20, vertical placement, and the use of a zero symbol. Both civilizations likely formed their arithmetic based on a basic set of principles known throughout the Mesoamerican area. So while both civilizations may have gained influence from similar backgrounds, the Mayans didn't personally influence the Aztecs. The Aztec number system, as I mentioned before, was in base 20, and they represented their number system and land measurements in rectangles using dots and lines. The Aztecs used some form of arithmetic calculation to find the area of quadrilateral and irregular fields. And when experts tried to calculate the same fields that were shown in the found documents, they used methods such as calculating the area of two right triangles for quadrilateral fields, and for more regular fields, they calculated the area of the biggest quadrilateral that could fit, and then the remaining area was calculated by finding the area of small triangles. They also had an efficient taxation system based on this, in which people were taxed 1 cacao bean per 20 square units of land. And then at the bottom here, you can see examples of the notation that the Aztecs used to represent numbers. In terms of relevance to this math history course, it's another number system to add to and compare to the list of other civilizations and number systems we have already covered, such as Babylon, Egypt, Rome, Arabian civilizations, and more. The civilization provides excellent practice in changing numerical bases and expressing values in different notations. This article also exhibits the intricacy and sophistication of the Aztec civilization in terms of mathematics and measurement. I thought this article was very interesting and informative because I was previously unaware of the mathematical capabilities of the Aztec people. And I also liked how the authors factually disproved the notion that the Aztecs adopted their number system and measuring methods from other civilizations, because I feel like that notion is very discouraging and really downplays the abilities of the Aztecs. And I also thought it was cool how I learned about Spanish and Mayan number systems as well while reading this article. And I actually decided to find out the size of land that my house is on and convert it to the base 20 number system. And then I tried my hand at using their notation. I didn't physically measure the plot of land that my house is on. I found out online how big it was. But it is 2,130 square yards. I converted that to base 20. That's 10 groups of 1, 6 groups of 20, and 5 groups of 400. And then I put it in a more simplified version of the Aztec notation. The first register shows 10 lines. That means that there are 10 ones. And then the third register shows 5 groups of 400, which are the dots, and 6 lines, which means 6 groups of 20. Here's the citation, and I hope you all enjoyed this presentation. Thank you.